Taizhou Orgao Electronic Technology Company Limited was founded in 2019 with more than 20 years of R&D, covering professional fields such as welding and cutting machine, protective equipment and accessories, etc. Facile Welders has 4 series support for customers' choice. The Eco series is designed for users who focus on economy and price. The PER series is designed for users who focus on high-cost performance. The SUP series is designed for slap-up intelligent users. The Laser series is high efficiency and perfect welding joint. You can choose the best product series according to their actual needs. The Inverter welding machine series not only has unique market competitiveness, but also has obtained several international standard certifications and several national patents, such as CE, ROSE, etc. It boasts a proprietary R&D center, modern factory advanced production lines and testing equipment, and an excellent team of professionals. We always take the principles of sincerity, positivity, and mutual respect to help our partners achieve their goals. Orgao has complete laboratory equipment and sophisticated testing instruments, and building the anti-static SMT workshop equipped with the world's top production equipment, such as MyData high-precision jet printing equipment and a smart SMT component warehouse imported from Sweden, Ursa selective wave soldering oven imported from Germany, DEK high-precision printer, GOKI high-speed placement equipment imported from Japan. The SMT workshop integrates production and testing process of various circuit boards in order to improve the production efficiency of key parts, preparing them for mass production and guaranteeing extremely low defect rate. Our product series, with its unique design and advanced core technology, offers great market differentiation and competitive advantage, allowing us to create personalized and exclusive products for our customers, offering them more competitive products and good returns, while helping them to improve their profitability. We have built a complete after-sales service system, providing pre-sales technical consultation and after-sales tracking service. According to the feedback, the customer satisfaction rate of our welding machines reaches 100%, and the after-sales maintenance rate is only 0.03%. And besides, our sales team can continuously provide you with professional, prompt, and efficient all-round services. Our R&D laboratory is equipped with complete test facilities, including Tektronix and Rod and Short's digital oscilloscope, fluid thermal imager, high and low temperature chambers, Heoki power quality tester, LPKF circuit board plotter multi-channel temperature tester, etc. In the future, we will continue to finance the welding product for global customers and build a one-stop welding and cutting equipment supply platform.